Hi, we're here in Croatia. No, we're not. Wait, we're here in.
Really early.
It's been a long morning. It's only 4.
4:18.
Yeah, it's 4:17 on this watch. It says. Oh, look at that zoom focus. That's great. Wow. And we're here in the airport in Venice, Marco Polo Airport. We had quite a tumultuous. That's my word. Tumultuous morning.
Showing yourself.
I should be, but like I'm not. I don't know if that's gonna work, but
Yeah, you're good.
yeah. Okay, great. So. We had a little bit of a jog to the taxi. We called for a taxi at 3:15, and the lady said, "Yeah, we'll be there in 7 minutes." But we didn't book it for the house. We booked it for a hotel that was 8 minutes away, walking from our house. So we had to run and catch the guy. We got in the thing, checked in. Actually, checking went well. I thought it would go really bad, but it went really well. So now we're just waiting.
Through security too.
Yep, through security. Security was easy. We're waiting. We have about another hour till our gate is announced, and then we have less than that. We have around half hour till our gate is announced, and then we'll be boarding the plane, and we'll be good to go to Croatia. Hey.
We're from Canada.
We are from Canada. We're on the bus now. Just getting ready to board our flight. Wow, you're very zoomed in on this phone. Your face looks huge.
My face is huge.
Huge amounts of legroom. Look at this, boys. We ballin'. Honey, look at all this legroom. Isn't that awesome? Yay. So we're on the bus now. Just waiting to leave to go to Split. I don't care. Bite me, I'll boost the audio. Waiting to go to Split. It's currently 7 in the morning, so we're ahead of schedule. Hoping just to get to our Airbnb and just check in and sleep. Maybe on the beach. Some of us want to sleep on the beach. So, let's see. Hi. So the last thing you saw of us, we were on the bus. Since then we pretty much just slept. So long day already. Feels like it's like 9 o'clock, but it's only 3:34. So we're gonna go explore the old town, see some things, eat some food. Yeah, hopefully you come along with us on this magical journey. Yes, please. I was gonna sing the Dragon Tales theme song, but I couldn't remember it. What is a Dragon Tales theme song?
So we're in Diocletian's palace.
Shout out to Double R, Richard Raiswell, the true OG.
We learned about Diocletian in our history class.
Austin Mackenzie, sure you did great in that class.
So now we're gonna go check out the. Is this like the dungeon?
The halls.
The halls of the palace.
Basement halls.
We're excited.
Welcome. So here, what we have here is the ring Diocletian used to wear on his right index finger. Okay?
Who is it?
Diocletian.
Okay.
That seems pretty. I think that's right. Rich, if you're listening, could you correct me? Just send me a quick email. Just put the vowels so that I know what I say. But yeah, this is the ring he used to wear on his right index finger. This is what he punched people with. That's why he was a savage.
We're gonna go up the tower, the bell tower. What?
Nice.
Yeah, you like that?
That was good.
These steps are each like a foot tall. Nathan's starting to freak out. It's kind of funny. We're getting pretty high. But he's really, yeah, starting to. We're at the top of the bell tower. Nate's kind of freaking out. It's kind of funny. But he's doing alright. Good for him. The view from up here is fantastic. And yeah, we can basically see the entire old town and most of the rest of Split. So yeah, pretty cool. And back down we go. What do you think, Nate?
Bite me.
That's an appropriate response. We're getting ice cream.
I like the fact there's palm trees. Oh, ice cream looks really good too. Right now we are looking for some delicious food. I wanted to go to Toto's Burger Bar, but apparently that's not Croatian. The ladies have stopped. They want to go that way. So we finally have our restaurant. We're at Fabrique Fun Barbecue and Pub, which is one of the only few restaurants that don't serve fish. And there's quite the diverse menu, so we'll have to see what we end up getting here. Burger, fish and chips, tortilla, fish and chips. I was really hoping you weren't going to be able to finish it, so then I can finish it. Finn. You want a cheesecake one too? No? Got myself a cup of Kinder. It was 10 kuna, which is around $2. There's some cheesecake, which is around $2 Canadian. So, wow, what a time to be alive. After gelato, the day was pretty much over. The gang returned to their Airbnb and settled in for the night. Thanks for watching. As always, we appreciate it. Tomorrow can always be better. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.